everyone, it's Lee Shang here at Subaru Puyallup, your stress-free dealership, also part of the Harnish Auto family. We are going to go over some of the differences between the 2024 and the 2023 Crosstrek. As you can see, the colors. So everybody used to love the Cool Grey Khaki. Unfortunately, it has been discontinued for the 2024 model year and replaced with the Offshore Blue. This is a beautiful color. I just wanted to give you guys a side-by-side comparison so you can see the differences between the two color combinations. As you can see, the front end has been redesigned. You have the new grille, side moldings, and of course, the headlights. You'll also have different mounts for the raised roof rails. And when you get into the interior, you'll have the 11.6-inch multimedia plus screen as an option with a new look for the center console. Not only that, you have the all-new Gen 4 Eyesight System. Don't you guys worry, it still has symmetrical all-wheel drive, your Eyesight System, and also the versatility of the Crosstrek remains the same. Just a few upgrades. But for more details, feel free to visit us at SubaruPuyallup.com here at 720 River Road. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Bye!